Hello and welcome to this guide that will show with you how to log in BCR Bank. So go to Google, search for BCR Bank. As you can see here, click this one, you will see this page. From here, click on login option. As you can see here on the corner here, when you click on the login option, you will redirect it to this login page. Just wait a few moments. So friends, from the login page, you will see here, write your user name or user ID. After writing your user ID, click continue this option and then write your codes. So this is for confirmation codes. From here, just wait. When you write your user as I say, write your application confirm. So friends, write your user as I say and click continue. If you want to log in with your app, just download BCR app, bank. This is for bank app. Download this app on App Store. When you download, you can log in successfully with your own information. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this.